Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Somehow the Sunburn Festival has always been associated with drugs. Every news report, nationally, internationally, and locally, also seems to say that drug sale is directly linked to Sunburn Festival. Now, how far it is true is not for me to know because we have no access to it. Now, the whole issue is, if it is good, if the festival is really good and it is worth it, I think the government should shift it to a state where the government has always been showing partiality, where all development takes place. The biggest cricket stadium in the world is built in Gujarat. They are now building a direct rail link from Bombay to Gujarat, super fast trains. They have built a Sardar Patel big memorial there. And so many things are being done to Gujarat. So I would feel that the Sunburn Festival should be transferred to the home state of the Prime Minister, because it doesn't make sense to bring it here when we do not want it. And the BJP, it looks like, thinks that we Goans are sitting ducks, just waiting for them to come from Panjim or Delhi and shoot at us. That is not the way it is. You see, those ducks, sitting ducks, sometimes tend to be flying ducks. And when the sitting ducks fly, they become shitting ducks. And that's what the BJP will see. They will see it all over them if they try to force the Sunburn on us. Now, first I call upon our local self-governing bodies, the panchayats and the municipalities, to forthwith pass resolutions, both of the panchayat and the gram sabhas, and send it to the government that opposing this Sunburn. I do hope that every panchayat in South Goa will do it. It is something that is a threat to all of us. And apart from the drug angle, as it is, South Goa roads are narrow. They are congested. And Christmas season is the worst for congestion. Tourists come here in thousands, and we do not have the infrastructure in the south for such huge traffic.
एक सरकाराची व्हडली चूक आनी लोक साऊथ गोवाचे हे कशें जावपाक दिवपाचे नात हे म्हाका 100% गॅरंटी आसा कित्याक हो सनबर्न फेस्टिवल हो फक्त वायट वृत्ती हाडपाचो एक प्रयोग आसा जो हे ट्राय करतात आनी सगळे साऊथ गोवा लोकांक खबर आसा की हे आमी आयले जाल्यार आमची संस्कृती आमचे जे हांगा जे सुसेग आसा तो काबार जातलो सो साऊथ गोवाचे लोक हे कशे अलाव करपाचेच नात पूण हाजे बॅकग्रावंड पळयलें जाल्यार गोंयांत ट्युरिजम हाडिल्लें आमचे गोंयचे लोकांचे बरें जावपा खातीर गोंयचे ट्युरिजम फक्त गोंयकाराचे हातान जावपाक जाय हे जे कमर्शियल ट्युरिजम व्हडले व्हडले पयशेकार आमचे गोंयांत करूंक सोदतात हे आमचे गोंयची जी जमनी आसा त्यो ज्यो आमचे लोकांची जमनी आसा ह्यो हडप करून हे करूंक सोदतात आनी हातूंतल्यान हे कॅन्सरा भशेन हो हे दुयेंस सगळे कडेन पावता गांवांनी आनी आमी सरकारा कडेन मागतात की साऊथ गोवाच न्ही नॉर्थ गोवात सुद्दां हे असले प्रकार हे सनबर्न आनी त्याच भशेन कासिनो आनी हे वायट तरेचे जे ट्युरिजम आसा हे 100% बॅन करूंक जाय बंद करूंक जाय आनी आमची गोंयची संस्कृती आमचे गोंयचे लोकांचे हातान ट्युरिजम दवरूनच सांबाळपाक जाय.
सनबर्न इज अ मेनेस. एक म्हळ्यार नॉयज पोल्युशन, दुसरी म्हळ्यार इट क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लेम फॉर ट्रॅफिक. आवर रोड्स आर बॅड. आवर रोड्स are unable to take such traffic congestion. One most important part is such events promote consumption of drugs. Muge bhashin continuous dancing, loud music, repetitive beat music is music which promotes consumption of drugs. According to me, this is a menace that we have to stop. I hope the tourism department shall not give any permission. The NGOs, the MLAs and all sarpanchas stand up in one voice and oppose the very move to bring Sunburn to Goa, to South Goa.
Watch on Herald TV.